Imagine a world where businesses no longer need human consultants, where AI-powered systems analyze data, predict market trends, and offer precise business strategies in seconds. Sounds futuristic? Well, that future is already here. The consulting industry is undergoing a massive transformation, and if you don't adapt, you might get left behind. Whether you're a business consultant, an entrepreneur, or someone looking to future-proof your career, this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down how AI is changing the consulting industry and why you need to act now to stay ahead. The traditional consulting model versus AI-driven consulting. For decades, business consulting has relied on human expertise. Consultants analyze financial reports, study market trends, and provide tailored solutions to help businesses grow. But let's be honest, this process is often time-consuming, expensive, and sometimes even biased. Now enter AI. AI-powered tools like ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, and DeepSeek can analyze millions of data points in real time, spot patterns that humans might miss, and generate strategic insights instantly. This means faster decision-making check, more data-driven strategies, cost-effective solutions. Companies no longer have to wait weeks for an in-depth report from a consulting firm. They can now get AI-generated insights within minutes. How AI is disrupting the consulting industry. Let's talk about some real-world applications where AI is making a difference in consulting. 1. Market research and competitive analysis. Before AI, consultants had to manually gather market data, analyze competitors, and predict industry trends. Now, AI tools like Tableau, Google Analytics, and IBM Watson can scan massive data sets, detect emerging trends, and offer precise recommendations. Example: instead of hiring a team of analysts to research a market, a company can use AI-powered analytics to get instant reports on customer preferences, competitor strategies, and upcoming market shifts. 2. Financial consulting and risk assessment. AI-driven financial models can analyze stock markets, company performance, and global economic shifts faster and more accurately than human consultants. AI can now predict financial risks, investment opportunities, and potential market crashes before they happen. Example: banks and investment firms use AI-powered risk assessment tools to detect fraudulent transactions, assess creditworthiness, and prevent financial losses. 3. Business strategy and decision-making. AI is now assisting CEOs and business leaders in making high-stakes decisions. Machine learning algorithms analyze historical data, employee performance, and market conditions to recommend the best course of action. Example: a retail business can use AI-driven insights to decide which products to stock up on, where to open new stores, and how to price their products for maximum profitability. 4th, customer experience and personalization. AI-powered chatbots, virtual assistants, and automated CRM systems are revolutionizing how businesses interact with customers. They provide instant responses, personalized recommendations, and predictive solutions. Example: AI chatbots like ChatGPT, Drift, and HubSpot AI are now replacing customer service consultants by providing 24/7 personalized support without the need for human intervention. Why you need to adapt now? If you're a business consultant or entrepreneur, you might be wondering, is AI going to replace me? The answer is no. AI won't replace consultants, but consultants who use AI will replace those who don't. Here's why adapting now is critical. 1. AI is not the future, it's the present. Businesses are already integrating AI into their operations. The longer you wait, the harder it will be to catch up. 2. Clients now expect faster, data-driven insights. If you're still relying on traditional methods, you might lose clients to competitors who use AI-powered tools. 3. AI can enhance, not replace, your consulting skills. Using AI tools will allow you to provide better recommendations, save time on research, and focus on high-value strategy work. How to future-proof your consulting career with AI. Now that we know AI is here to stay, how can you adapt and thrive in this AI-driven world? 1. Start using AI-powered tools. Familiarize yourself with AI-powered business intelligence tools like Tableau for data visualization, IBM Watson, For predictive analytics, ChatGPT and Jasper AI. For content generation and automation, Zoho AI and Salesforce Einstein. For customer relationship management. The more you integrate AI into your consulting work, the more efficient and valuable you become. 2. Focus on what AI can't do. AI is great at processing data, but it lacks human intuition, creativity, and emotional intelligence. Focus on building strong client relationships, strategic thinking, and leadership skills, areas where AI falls short. 3. Learn AI and data analytics. If you're serious about staying ahead, consider learning data science, AI applications, and machine learning basics. Online platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer AI courses tailored for business professionals. 4th, position yourself as an AI-driven consultant. Clients and companies are looking for consultants who understand AI. Position yourself as a tech-savvy consultant who knows how to integrate AI into business strategies. This will make you stand out from the competition. Final Thoughts: AI is not here to take away jobs. It's here to redefine them. The consulting industry is evolving, and those who adapt to AI will lead the future of business consulting. So what's your next move? Will you embrace AI and future-proof your consulting career, or will you wait until it's too late? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on business, technology, and AI-driven consulting. Want to stay ahead in the consulting world? Visit www.glinchconsultants.com to explore how AI can elevate your business strategy.